everyone, my name is Shahi and this is my aquarium. This is my fish and is a dragon scale half moon betta and I call him Kiki. This is my aquarium. I made it all by myself. First I put the soil, then I put the stones, then I put some plants. I have a little filter in my tank and a filter is very important. All the good bacteria lives inside the filter. They break down all the waste inside the tank and keeps the water clean. Without this, the water becomes very bad and the fish will die. Every day I feed the fish 2 times. And every week I change the water inside the tank. I also have carbon dioxide inside my tank. When the lights are on, the plants take the carbon dioxide and gives oxygen. That is why carbon dioxide is very important for a planted tank. Thank you guys for watching this video and please give a like button and subscribe and get this video to 12,000 likes. Bye bye.